Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to today's online session of grade 2nd. Okay children, in today's class we will be continuing with the alphabetical order exercise number 2. Okay children, hope you all are using your time wisely in doing studies, and I wanted to thank those children who are sending me such a beautiful homework. Thank you so much children for sending the homework. You are doing very good job. So in today's class we are going to solve the question number 4 from the main question number 2. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Okay children, we have to arrange the words in the alphabetical order. Okay, you need to take out your page number 48 from your textbook. Okay children, take out your page number 48 from your textbook. Okay children, what do you mean by alphabetical order? The arrangement of the letters in a proper order according to the alphabet A to Z are known as alphabetical order. Okay children, arranging the letters in proper order, in proper sequence according to the alphabet A to Z. Okay children, in yesterday's class, in previous class, we have solved question number main 1, and in question number main 2 we have solved question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. We have arranged the words in alphabetical order. In today's class we are going to arrange the question number 4 words in alphabetical order. Okay children, so here I have arranged the words in alphabetical order. So in question number main 2 or question number main 4, there are few words: send, sail, stool, skate, slate. So these words we have to arrange in alphabetical order. You have to remember one rule children. Whenever we are arranging the words in alphabetical order, if the first letter is same, then we have to move on to the second letter. Here in all these words, the first letter are same, so we cannot arrange by using first letter. So in this case we have to move on to the second letter. Okay children, if the words while arranging, if the first letter is same in all the words, we have to move on to the second letter. So here we have E, A, T, K, L. So children, while arranging the letters, you have to arrange the letters in alphabetical order according to the letters they begins with. So here we have E, A, T, K, L. Okay. So here which letter comes first in alphabet in all these letters children, which I have underlined from the red marker. Red one, E, A, T, K, L. So in these E, A, T, K, L, which letter comes first in the alphabet? Yes, A. So which word we have to write here? We have to write sail. Okay, in alphabet A letter comes first, so we have to write sail word in the beginning. Okay. Then next, after A which letter comes children? After A, E letter comes in the alphabet. So we have to write send word in the second position. Okay. In third, after E which letter comes? K. Okay. After E which letter comes? K. So we have to write the word skate in the third position. Okay. Now look at the fourth word children. After K which letter comes? L. In the alphabet, after K which letter comes? L. So we have to write slate in the fourth position. Okay. Then which letter comes children after L? Which letter comes after L? T letter comes in the alphabet. So we have to write stool at the end. Okay children. So here we have to write sail, send, skate, slate, stool. So here we have arranged the words in alphabetical order according to the alphabet they starts with. Okay. So here A comes in the alphabet first. After A, E comes. After E, K comes. After K, L. After L, T. So here we have arranged the words in alphabetical order according to the letter they begins with. Now look at the next question, children. You should also write in the textbook, children. You should also solve all these question answers in your textbook. Okay, children? Start writing in the textbook. Now look at the third question. Make 10 words with the letters from the word elephant. Okay, children? Here we have the word elephant. By using the word elephant, here we have different letters in elephant. So by using these letters, we have to create 10 words. Okay? By using ELEPHANT letters, we have to create the different words. Okay, children? So I have created here 10 words. You can also create by your own choice. Okay, children? You can write these words, or else you can write the words by your choice. So here I have written PEN. So by using these letters, I have created the word PEN. 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 Okay. By using these letters, we have to create new words. 10 new words. So here I have created PEN. 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 So this is the different word. Okay. Then ANT. Ant. Okay, by using these letters only, we have to create the different words. ANT, ant. Then I have created HAT, hat. Okay, hat. One more new word. Then PET, pet. PET, pet. Then PAT, pack. PAT, pack. Then NET, net. NET. By using these letters only, you have to create the different types of words. Then HATE, hate. HELP, help. LET, let. TALE, tail. So like this, we can create the different words by using the elephant word. Okay, children, by using the elephant word letters, we can create the many different words by using these letters. So I have created here 10 words, children. You can write same this only, or else you can write the words by your choice. You can also create your own words by using these letters. Okay, children. Now let us move to the fourth main question, that is write the above words in alphabetical order. So here I have written 10 words. These 10 words we have to write in alphabetical order. Okay, children, according to the letters they starts with, we have to write these letters in alphabetical order. Okay, children. Take the screenshot of this. Take the screenshot if you want, children, so that later on you can write it by yourself. Take the screenshot. Now let us solve the fourth main question, that is we have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. Okay, children. Fourth one. Now write the above words in an alphabetical order. Okay children, these letters, these words we have to now write in alphabetical order. So here, look at the first letter of these children. Here the PAT pad and PEN pen, PET pet are starting from same letter P. In such cases we have to move on to the second letter. If the words are beginning with the same letter, then we have to move on to the second letter in such cases. Okay children, and all the words are starting from different letters. So here first one is which one? Which one should come first children? ANT and. So here A comes first in the alphabet. So we have to write ANT and in the beginning, because we are arranging in the alphabetical order. Okay children, after and HAT hat, then HATE hate, see children, after ANT and we have to write HAT hat, then HATE hate, then HELP help, then LET let, NET net, PAT pat, PET pet, TALE tail. So like this we have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. Okay children, ANT and HAT hat, after A children here E comes, okay, then HELP help, LET let, NET net, PAT pat, PET pet, TALE tail. So like this we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Okay children, here AT and AT same. So we have, after A we have to take here E. Okay children, after E L. Okay. So here after L and E T. T after N. Okay children, so like this we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Here some words are start with the same letter. In such cases we have to move on to the second letter. Okay children. Now look at the next. Now look at the next question children. Arrange in alphabetical order the words given below. So here look at the page number 49. Look at the page number 49 children. If you want you can take the screenshot of this. Okay. Now look at the fifth question, children. Now look at the fifth question from page number 49. Arrange in alphabetical order the words given below. Here there are lot of words in different boxes, children. So we have to arrange all the words in alphabetical order. Okay. Fifth one, arrange in alphabetical order the words given below. So here the words we have to arrange in alphabetical order. Okay. So the first one is table, table, chair, chair, desk, desk, stool, stool. Okay, children. So now we have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. Okay. Look at the first letter, children. All the first letters are different. So we have to arrange according to the beginning letter of the word. So here T, C, D, S. So which letter comes in the first, children, alphabet? In these four letters, which letter comes first? C, right? So we have to write Ch. In the alphabet, C letter comes in the beginning, so we have to write Ch. Then after C, which letter comes, children? D. So what we have to write here? Desk. After D, which letter comes, children? Yes. So we have to write here stool. After S, which letter comes? T. So what we have to write here? Table. So like this, we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Okay. Always the words are arranged with the letters they starts with. Now look at the second box, children. In the second column we have Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday. Okay, children. So here M, W, T, F. All the beginning letters are different, so we have to take the first letter. So which letter comes beginning in the alphabet? Which letter comes first in the alphabet? F. F, right? So we have to write here Friday first. After F, which letters come, children? After F, which letter comes? M. So what we have to write? Monday. After F, which letter comes? After F, M letter. After M, which letter comes, children? T. So what we have to write here? Tuesday. After T, which letter comes in the alphabet? A to Z alphabet? W. So we have to write Wednesday. Okay. Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So F comes in the alphabetical order. F comes in the beginning. After M, M comes in the alphabet. After M, T. T after W. So we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order according to the letters this starts with. Okay, children? Take the screenshot of this. Now let us study the third question. White. In the third box we have the words white, black, brown and green. White, black, brown, green. So in the third column we have white, black, brown, green. Okay children, so how we are going to arrange these words? According to the letters they starts with. Okay children. So here B and B, these both letters are same. So in such cases we have to look on to the second letter while arranging. Okay so children, so which letter come first in the alphabet? B. So what? After B, L. Here B after R. So L letter comes beginning or R letter comes in the beginning, children? Which letter comes in the beginning? L. So we have to write black first. Okay. Here B and B both letters are same. So in such cases we have to look on to the second letter. So here L and R. So in these two which letter comes first? L. So we have to write here black first. After black children, brown. So after L, R. Okay children. After L we have to write R. Then after R what we have to take? G. Green. After R, G. Okay children, here again we have GR. So we have to write here green. After R, green. Okay children, here we have to take green. After green what we have to write? White. Okay children, here R after. Again we have here R. After that we have to take W. Okay, we have to take W. So here like this we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Okay children, now look at the next word. April, June, August. January, April, June, August. So like this, how we have arranged in the previous questions, we have to arrange these in the alphabetical order. Okay children, so here first one is April. Okay children, first we should write April, then April after August. Okay, then January, then June. Okay children, April, August, January, June. So like this we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Take the screenshot of this children. Let us move to the fifth question children. Here we fifth column we have. In fifth column we have the words cow, cat, cheetah, crab. So first one is cat. See children, all the beginning letters are same here. So we have to move on to the second letter. So A comes first in the alphabet. After A, we have to write cheetah. After A, H. Okay children, after H, O. So here we have to write cow. After A, H after O after R. So we have to write here crab. All the beginning letters are same in all the words. So we have to move on to the second letter in such cases. Okay. Now look at the sixth question children. In the sixth column we have Nita, Nina, Naved, Nuri. So here all the letters in the beginning are same. In such cases we have to move on to the second letter children. So here which letter comes in the first alphabet children? A. So we have to write here Naved. In the alphabet A comes in the first. After A children what we have to write? E. Nita. After A, E comes in the alphabet next. Okay children. After E which letter comes? I. So what we have to write? Nina. After I which letter comes? O. So what we have to write here? Nuri. So now here we have arranged the words in alphabetical order. Naved, Nita, Nina, Nuri. Here in these cases the first letter are same. So we have to move on to the second letter. Okay children, so like this we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Take the screenshot of this children. Okay children, now look at the seventh column, seventh box. What we have here in the seventh box? The words sweater, shirt, socks, scarf. So here in the seventh column we have sweater, shirt, socks and scarf. Here also all the beginning letters are same. So in such case we have to look at the second letter. Okay children. So which letter comes? W, H, O, C. In these four letters, which letter comes in the beginning children? Which letter comes in the alphabet first? C. So what we have to write here? Scarf. After C, which letter comes children? H. So what we have to write here? Shirt. After H, which letter comes children? O. So we have to write here socks. After O, W. So we have to write sweater last. So like this we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. If the first letter is same in all the words, in such cases we have to look at the second letter. If the second letter is also same, we have to look on to the third letter and so on. Okay children. Now let us see the eighth last column. In the last box we have the words. In the last box we have the words porter, pilot, peon, plumber. Okay children, here all the first letter are same in all the words. P, 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 P. In such case we have to look at the second letter. Here we have O, I, E, L. O, I, E, L. In such case, in these four letters, which letter comes in the beginning children? Which letter comes in the beginning? E. Okay children. So what we have to write here? Peon. Okay children. After E which letter comes? I. So what we have to write? Pilot. Okay children. After I which letter comes? L. So we have to write plumber. After H which letter? After L which letter comes? O. So here we have to write porter at the end of the word. Peon, pilot, plumber, porter. So like this we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order according to the letters they starts with. If the first letter is same in all the words, then we have to look at the second letter. If the second letter is also same, we have to move on to the third letter and so on. So like this we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order children. Take the screenshot of this children if you want, so that later on you can write it. So here alphabetical order is the arrangement of the words, arrangement of the letters of an language in proper order or proper sequence according to the alphabet A to Z. Okay children, according to the alphabet we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. While arranging we have to look at the letters. If all the letters same in the beginning, we have to look at the second letter. If the second letter is also same, we have to look at the third letter. So like this we have to write the alphabetical order words. Okay children, now take down the homework. Complete page number 48. Page number 48 and 49 in your textbook. Okay children, you have to complete page number 48 and 49 in your textbook, as well as you have to write this page number 48 and 49 in your classwork notebook. Okay children, hope you all have understood today's class. Let us meet in the next session with the new topic. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.